If you've ever dreamed of running your own online store but felt overwhelmed by where to start, this quick Shopify tutorial will show you exactly how to build one from scratch in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional, fully functional Shopify store ready to launch. No coding, no confusion, and no prior experience needed. Let's jump right in and set everything up step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is sign up for Shopify. Once you've signed up and answered a few basic questions about your business, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is the control center of your store, where you'll manage everything from design to orders and payments. Next, we'll pick a theme. A theme determines how your website looks and feels. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, click Online Store, then Themes. Shopify automatically installs a free theme called Dawn, which is clean, flexible, and mobile-friendly, a great option for beginners. If you'd like to explore other looks, scroll down and click Visit Theme Store to browse through dozens of free and paid themes for every niche imaginable. For now, we'll stick with Dawn since it's already active. Click Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. This is where the fun begins. You can edit your homepage in real time and instantly see the results. Let's start with a banner image at the top of your homepage. Click on the Image Banner section and upload a high-quality image that represents your brand. Then, change the headline text to something eye-catching that clearly tells visitors what your store is about. To upload your logo, open Theme Settings, go to Logo, and add your image file. Your logo will appear neatly in the top left corner. While you're here, you can also adjust the color palette and fonts under Colors and Typography to match your brand's identity. When you're happy with how things look, click Save. Now let's add some products. Exit the theme editor and click Products from your dashboard menu. If you plan to dropship items from platforms like AliExpress or Printful, you can connect those services directly and import products automatically. But if you're selling your own items, click Add Your Products. Enter a product title, write a short but appealing description, and upload clear, professional photos from multiple angles. If writing descriptions isn't your thing, Shopify's built-in AI writing assistant can generate them for you based on a few keywords. Set your product price, choose whether Shopify should track inventory, and if your product comes in different sizes or colors, add those under Variants. When you're done, hit Save. Repeat this for all your items until your store's catalog is filled out. To organize your products, we'll create collections. These are categories like hoodies, accessories, or bestsellers. Click Collections and then Create Collection. Give it a name, upload a representative image, and set it to Manual so you can choose exactly which products go in it. Save your collection, then go back to Products and add the right items. Once you've created a few collections, it's time to head back to the Customize page under Online Store. Scroll through your homepage and remove the default featured collection if you want by clicking the trash icon. Then click Add Section, choose Collection List, and display your collections, maybe hoodies, t-shirts, and shorts. You can continue adding sections like image galleries or testimonials to make your homepage feel more complete. Every page, including your About and Contact pages, can be customized from the same editor using the drop-down at the top. Next, let's organize your navigation menu so customers can easily find everything. Back in your dashboard, open Online Store, click Navigation, and then Main Menu. Here you can add new links like your Collections or About page. You can also create submenus. For example, if you're running a clothing store, you could have men and women as main categories, with hoodies, t-shirts, and accessories nested under each. Save your changes, and you'll see your new menu appear at the top of your site. Before launching your store, it's important to add essential pages like refund, shipping, and privacy policies. Shopify makes this super easy. Go to Settings at the bottom left of your dashboard, scroll to Policies, and click Create from Template to generate standard policy pages automatically. These templates cover the basics, but make sure to read through them and customize the details, things like your shipping times, return window, and contact information. Once done, go back to Online Store, open Navigation, and edit the footer menu. Add links to your policy pages here so customers can find them easily at the bottom of your website. Then, in the theme editor, scroll down to your footer, click Add Block, choose Menu, and select your footer menu. Next, we'll set up payments so customers can actually check out. In Settings, click Payments, then click Activate Shopify Payments. Enter your business information to enable credit card, Apple Pay, and Shop Pay. Shopify also enables PayPal automatically, which is worth keeping on since many shoppers prefer it. After that, go to Shipping and Delivery under Settings to configure your shipping rates. You can create different rates based on countries, product weight, or total order price. For example, you could offer free shipping for domestic orders and flat rate shipping internationally. Now let's double-check the rest of your store settings. Under Store Details, confirm your business name, contact email, and currency. Under Brand, upload your logo and color scheme to keep everything consistent across your store and checkout pages. If you need to charge taxes, you can set them up under Taxes and Duties. Once everything's set, it's time to claim your domain name, the web address your customers will use to find your store. From your dashboard, click Domains. If you already own one, choose Connect Existing Domain and follow the instructions to link it. If you don't have one yet, click Buy New Domain. Type in your desired name and purchase it directly through Shopify. It will connect automatically, so you don't need to deal with any technical setup. The final step before launching is selecting your Shopify plan. Go to Online Store, click Pick a Plan, and choose the basic plan to start. It's affordable and includes everything you need. Choose your billing cycle, enter payment details, and confirm. Then, under Online Store, go to Preferences, disable the password page so your site is publicly visible. Once that's done, congratulations! Your Shopify store is officially live. You've just built your own online store in minutes, complete with a professional theme, product listings, collections, payments, shipping, and a custom domain. From here, you can start promoting your business, experimenting with new designs, and adding apps for marketing or reviews to help boost sales. Shopify handles the heavy lifting, so you can focus on your products and customers. So go ahead, start sharing your store link, make your first sale, and welcome your new life as an online entrepreneur. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips and step-by-step guides. Have a question or a topic you'd like me to cover next? Drop it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.